Hello, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your temporary access to full access once you have purchased your code. So what you'll notice on the screen is that whenever you use temporary access, there will be a yellow bar on the course that you're using temporary access on, and that bar is right under the blue course there. There you see it. And there's an upgrade access. And notice it'll count down. Right now I have temporary access for the next 14 days. Each day I come in, it will remind me that I have 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and so forth. Now whenever I have my access code, either I've purchased it from the bookstore, or if I'm ready to purchase via a credit card or PayPal account, I can click on Upgrade Access. And then that will take me to the registration process for this course. I'll click on either access code, or I can pay using credit card or PayPal. I'm going to go ahead and use the access code option. And so when I click on access code, I'll then put in my access code. I'm going to paste mine. You can paste it or you can type it in. And I'll click finish. It'll take a few seconds for it to register. But once it has registered, you'll see go to my courses, and now when I go back to my courses, the yellow bar will be removed, and that's gone, and now I have full access to the course, and I can access by clicking on the name of the course. And that's how you can upgrade your temporary access to complete full access. I hope this was helpful.